Much like bathrooms and hand washing stations, childcare is something that is absolutely crucial, and yet it can be quite difficult for many to access. A new facility called The Nest recently opened near USC, and it aims to provide help on that front. Our Ariel Wessler paid a visit, and he filed this report.
It's a sign of opportunity for many low-income families with young children living in South LA.
I got to the point where I couldn't figure out what I was going to do with childcare. Picture right there.
Shamika Jones is a single mother of two and at one time struggled to find affordable childcare for her kids so she could attend culinary school.
It's been times when I felt like giving up because I felt like I didn't have the resources, I didn't have the help, as a single mother, and they changed that.
Both of her children are now graduates of Hope Street's free early childhood education program, which allowed her to complete her culinary training at LA Trade Tech.
I graduated with honors, and I did full-time the whole time I was there.
This newest education center on the campus of St. Mark's Church is called The Nest.
They already had a program here that they unfortunately weren't able to keep up, and so this is a true partnership.
And will provide services for up to 32 children ages 18 months to 3 years. It gives priority to parents looking for work or experiencing homelessness, many as a result of this pandemic.
Research shows that kids who have social skills do a lot better in school, and even further on after they finish school. So it's a chance to get a head start on that and start getting kids used to problem solving.
Really, the value here was taking an underutilized space and creating a new use for it.
And one of the first things designers did was remove the bars on the windows, an all too common sight in this area.
It also creates a place of home. I mean, can you imagine sort of seeing bars on your window every day, right?
And on the inside,
we want kids to feel enveloped in this space, in this nest.
Architects look to create a flowing environment with lots of natural light, along with an open floor concept.
Teachers are doing more collaboration than if they would if they were in a standalone class.
Jones says she's incredibly grateful to the staff and all who ensured her kids not only had a free place to go, but learn and socialize.
I tell them all the time how I appreciate, the hard work that they put in.
And while she won't directly benefit from this newest center,
it looks very comfortable. It looks like I can stay here, so.
She's excited to see other families find the same success as hers.
And Ariel Wessler joins us now. I got to say, that is a gorgeous looking child care center. And, it's kind of rare that you hear about a healthcare company being the ones behind childhood education. What's going on there?
Yeah, it really is state of the art. When I first saw it, the California Hospital Medical Center is part of Dignity Health. That's a name you might be more familiar with. And the hospital president tells me they consider themselves a hospital without walls. So not only, do they take care of the physical health of patients, obviously, that come into the hospital and preventative care, but part of that, they say, is to look at the social aspects of health and to try to reduce the health disparities in, some of these low-income communities. And we know, if a single parent can't afford health care, then often that's related to because they can't get a job, and that could prevent them from going to work or furthering their education. They have less money, and that again, that usually impacts healthcare. So it's all cyclical. And if you'd like to get more information on this and see it, maybe you can qualify. HopeStreetFamilyCenter.org is the website.
Thanks so much, Ariel Wessler. We appreciate it.
Thanks, Alex.